This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the Trojan News, sanctioned by Lad McLean.
Good morning, I'm Twin A.
And I'm Twin B.
We weren't supposed to read that part.
Welcome to Trojan News. Good morning, I'm Wolf.
And I'm Silence.
We welcome you to this little social experiment we call the Trojan News. Good morning, I'm Wolf.
And I'm Gade. Welcome to Trojan News.
Today is Tuesday, February 12th.
Now for a new feature on the Trojan News. We asked you to take this IQ test. And now we start you off with the controversial question, universal basic income. It's not a question.
Am I supposed to hold on to your waist? Alright.
Okay.
We'll see you back here again on Thursday. A tonka.
Now to Wolf with sports.
I'm Wolf, and here's your sports. Today, at 3:45 p.m., our girls' tennis team is taking on Rampart at John Venezia Community Park. And at 4 p.m., our boys' swim team is taking on Rampart at Rampart. And tomorrow, at 4:30, our girls' soccer team is taking on Pueblo South at Dutch Clark Stadium. And that's sports. Back to you guys. Do I come into frame all right when I do this? Yes. Okay, cool. I'm Wolf, and here's your sports. Today at 4 p.m., our boys' baseball team will be going against Palmer at Spurgeon Field, and our boys' swim team will be going against Pine Creek at Rampart. Tonight at 6 o'clock, our girls' soccer team is going to be facing Coronado at home. And tonight at 7, our boys' volleyball team will be taking on Mountain Vista, then Valor Christian at 8, both at Valor Christian High School. Tomorrow at 8, girls' tennis will be going against various teams at Colorado Mesa University. And from today until May 2nd, girls' tennis has regionals. That's all for sports. Back to Jason and Carissa. English. It's a language spoken by 99% of the population. Apparently this guy's part of that 1%. 99% of the population doesn't actually speak English, so that was a false statistic. And since this is airing on the Trojan News, I think it's worthy of a sin.
Most students at Fountain Fort Carson are unaware that there is a hidden talent among us. His name is Mr. Porter, and as a young man he appeared in several movies. Welcome to Teacher's Secret Lives.
"9 years working for Mr. Lamont. I've never heard anybody speak to him that way.
Well, I'm not just anybody, am I? You see, I've got science on my side.
You're gonna need it."
We blow up pumpkins. We send columns of smoke barreling through rooms. It's pretty cool, but it's not magic.
I never thought it was.
Yeah, you did.
Rough trip, huh, Anna?
Yeah, real rough. Jimmy Camp Road was backed up all the way to Loafing Jug. I didn't get back until 10 a.m.
At 9 a.m.?
I just said 10 a.m. Were you even listening to me?
Might hit some chop over the Rockies. You better buckle up.
Okay, I'll buckle up, especially since you're not even a real pilot.
Afraid of getting lost? Never seen you map out your trip before.
This really isn't any of your business.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't let it happen again.
I'm Wolf, and I'm here with...
Dalian.
Now, should students be allowed to sleep in class?
So the performance went really well. We had a few mishaps, but all in all, it was an amazing show. The performance went so well. Like, we were just really in it. We spoke loud, we got all of our jokes correct, and it was perfect. I could never ask for a better cast.
Most students at Fountain Fort Carson are unaware that there is a hidden talent among us. His name is Mr. Porter, and as a young man he appeared in several movies. Welcome to Teacher's Secret Lives.
It's pretty cool, but it's not magic.
I never thought it was.
Yeah, you did.
Cheer, cheer for old Fountain Dame. Wake up the echoes cheering her name.
Go Trojans! Trojans? I'm starting to think that McLean chooses the Trojan newscast by randomly selecting a list of students that failed 8th grade English.
I would have to say Miss Barzagar. And... Stop talking!
It is Tuesday, March 12th. I am Jason.
And I'm Carissa, and this is your Trojan News.
Good morning, I'm Jason.
And I'm Gabe, and welcome to Trojan News.
Tis I, high fructose corn syrup girl.
I'm Captain Neck, Captain of Necking.
I'm unbreakable. Did you guys see that? I tore it. Yeah, that's me. I'm unbreakable boy.
I'm Captain Hydro, aka Waterman. Did you get your daily 8 ounces of water today?
The Trojan News with Wolf, Carissa, Gabe, Silas, Jason, Deja, Faith, Tatiana, Josh, Ashton, Jada, Dora, Matt, Jordan, Ethan, Leah, Ian, Erica, Em, Bozo the Clown, that guy from Beetlejuice, Floyd the Barber, the cast of Friends, Cthulhu, Donald Trump, Barney the Dinosaur, and that one living guy from the Bee Gees.
Well, class, that show was garbage.
Ooh, ow, Mr. McLean, I don't feel so. Oh my God! No!
Final call for reference books in the library. We have removed the reference section and are offering the books for free to whoever would like them. Make sure to show Miss Vandola or Miss Pinnell what you would like to take so that they may delete the items from our library catalog. Looking for an LGBTQ-friendly activity for you and your friends? Join us for GSA in Miss Bates' room, A230, on Thursdays from 3:30 to 5. Any boys interested in swimming and diving in the upcoming spring season need to meet in Coach Martelli's room after school today in C280.